Hi folks, this is Rob from SmokingPit.com. In this video we'll be cooking pork chops with a honey mustard butter sauce. First thing we want to do is chop up some fresh parsley. I grabbed about a good handful and chopped it up fairly good, and just need about a quarter cup of this stuff. Next we're going to peel and chop 1 clove of fresh garlic. Now we're going to make the butter sauce. I'm going to start with a half stick of softened butter. This is unsalted, by the way. There's our 1 clove of fresh chopped garlic. We'll get that in there. 1/2 teaspoon sage. 2 tablespoons honey mustard. This honey mustard, by the way, gives a really nice flavor. 1/4 cup parsley. And now we're going to give this stuff a good stir. We're going to use a fork here, start with a fork, stir it all in. There, look at that, that's looking good. There it is, the butter sauce. Doesn't that look good? Now we're going to season our pork chops. We're going to start off with some kosher salt. And I put just a light amount, but put on what you like. Next, coarse ground black pepper, which I choose to put a little bit more of. I'm going to coat both sides. And by the way, folks, what we've got here are 5 boneless pork loin chops, about 1 inch thick. Now here's our pork chops on a smoking grate, ready to go in the cooker. Okay, we've got our chops in the Yoder YS640. We're cooking at 225 degrees today. Our pork chops have reached 110 degrees internal temp, so I'm going to go ahead and baste on some of this butter sauce. You can see it's melting on there. We want to spread it on pretty evenly. We're going to go ahead and continue cooking the chops until the internal temp reaches 145 degrees. Well, we're back, folks. Our internal temp on these chops have reached 145 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll go ahead and we'll pull them out of the cooker. Oh man, they look good and they smell good. Probe out of there. Take these in and we'll get them plated up. Look at those chops right there. Don't those look great? Oh man. I plated mine up with some steamed broccoli and carrots, and this butter sauce goes great on the veggies too, so give it a try. There it is, folks. Pork chops and a honey mustard butter sauce. You can get details on this cook as well as other cooks at SmokingPit.com. Come by and visit. Check out my Facebook page, click like. Also check out my YouTube page. Please subscribe. Thanks for viewing, folks.